Yo, what up guys, in this video I'm playing Animal Company, playing right before school. Maybe a little quiet. Except a little kid may be screaming at the top of its lungs, which may break the sound barrier.
Was hast du gemacht? Was? Okay, komm.
Everyone, hey, someone give
The poor.
supply drop for the poor. Supply drop for the poor incoming. The location, the lake.
Hey, brown.
The location is the lake.
Dark green.
The supply drop location is the
Dark
lake.
green. Dark green. You racist.
Oh man.
Supply drop for the poor. Supply drop for the poor. Does someone give me OG backpack? I'll trade them for a RPG, a normal one.
What normal backpack?
And a dragon RPG.
Wait, Blue, do you want to trade diamond pickaxe?
Supply drop, that's the supply drop.
No. Wait, let me just go into. Wait, there's like something happening in this. I can barely move now. No, you know what? No.
Red,
Hey. What?
What?
It all.
Which
Here,
one?
See, guys, there could be gold.
Can I get one, please? Can I get
Hold on.
one, please? Thank you so much.
Bye, man. You're welcome.
Hold
Can
on.
you go away?
Can someone teach me how to play the game?
Don't just throw my backpack that far. I can throw my backpack that far. Said people.
What's doing the moonwalk? What's a smooth criminal? Me too, bro. I'm also a smooth criminal. There's like more stuff. There's more stuff. So I got like 10 minutes until I have to go back to school.
Can you give me a bag like that?
Ow!
I'm literally like have a bag. Like, bro, I have a bad cough. Why do you expect me to go to school, bro? I might cause COVID-19 again, bro. Guys, I have the cure for cancer. Oh my god. Thank gosh, finally people are.
If you wanna go to our dimension, grab an umbrella and then pickaxe.
Thank god. I'm going to
Umbrella, you need
sewers.
to get out the map. Grab the umbrella. So somebody grab the umbrella.
You could get out the map with any item now.
Join me, man. Oh my god. Bro, grab the guy that's being targeted by the red thing. Come over to one umbrella to get out the map and then home all that. Don't enter here, anyway. Don't enter.
No, bro, I'm just waiting out here.
Bitch, I'm experienced.
I'm better than you, bro.
What up?
Bro,
Can you
can't
maybe grab
touch
me
that.
2 plungers?
Can't touch this.
No, you're just gonna mine like the green things. They're dropping plungers. Bro, can you guys stop camping there and go over there because there's a safe zone for the guy who's gonna walk there slowly again back. Please
Yo,
just
get
go
somebody
over
a
there
revolver
to the
ammo.
next zone. Thank you.
Don't move that! Yo, say somebody a revolver for revolver ammo.
No shit, Sherlock.
Trying to kill himself.
Bro, I don't have.
I got nothing.
Okay, guys, coach is right. If we want to win this, it's on us.
If you want them, go in there. If you want them. Okay, guys.
Please help me, I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck.
Kill the mimic.
I'm outside, please.
Kill the mimic. Bitch, kill the mimic.
I'm stuck in the place. Please help me.
Okay, this way.
How about now? Holy shit, they're annoying. Should we guys go and close?
Bro, if anyone tries to kill
See
me,
you.
I almost failed on the
Oh, wait.
first jump.
I'm gonna hold the rocket.
bro,
Bro, go,
oh,
wait for me.
okay, fine. Hello.
Bro, you're
Wait for
dumb.
me.
I'm in the
Guys-
middle of a sewers run with these people.
Holy shit, I'm so alive.
I just make it look like I die. But I really never do.
The only light is
You guys wait.
the people that have the flashlights attached to their freaking waist.
Just move
We
forward.
don't want any light.
have
We
a
don't want any light.
I know.
Except I have a revolver, so I could just shoot.
Ready?
Yeah, bro, I knew it was boring. Yo, why you guys? Someone just died.
No.
I clutched that. I'm the GOAT. I clutched that. I'm the GOAT. I should say I'm a gorilla, except they don't have a goat.
Oh shit. Red watch!
Hi. Hi.
Yo, who wants
Hi,
to
stop
sewers
doing that
run?
thing to me.
Who wants to
That's not
sewers?
funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. That put a big flash in my hair.
I regret asking now.
Oh my god, you are bold!
I feel like that man is gonna go up to me, strangle me to
No,
death,
that's not how it works.
throw me into the lake.
I meant black.
That's all I think he's gonna do, bro. I just dozed. First of all, what the heck is happening?
The wall.
Bro, why is everything here for... Bro,
Bro, I need a research point for my family. I need a research point for the fucking RPG.
Let's go in French code and mine for purple on stones. Me, I want to. I'm like, okay, go to code, Beetle, K. But Beetle is without it,
A fucking RPG.
Who wants to go mining for... Yo, can anyone help me get free tech coins?
bro, why? Bro, for some reason, for me,
Go
all
to
of this is
sewer.
ores. Bro, all of this is
Alright, but-
ores for me, bruh. All of it's ores, bro. All I see is like the half-eaten ore.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that, bro? No.
Bro, blood is not in like one of those cartoons, bro.
No.
You are not
No.
in a
What the
cartoon.
fuck? Should we go? No. What the fuck is that?
Bro, why are you trying to blame it out?
No, bro. What the fuck?
Sell every extra grappler.
Yo, I got like so much money, guys. Bro, what are you getting from this, bro? All I'm getting is nothing except nuts.
Me too.
Bro, and guess what, bro? All of it's ores, bro.
I don't see anything. For me, you mine the grass.
Yo, I'm coming down the sewers.
Yeah, well, I just got like 1,000.
Let's go to private code.
Bruh.
Let's go to private. Yo, anyone in sewers? What the fuck? Yeah,
What's everything?
Research point.
I'm trying to be as careful as possible. I'm near this thing that goes green and then...
Bruh.
Oh, so you're
I'm
at...
not gonna get the RPG or the freaking big backpack. What's up? No. Woo. Monkey, I can fart my monkey. No.
I gotta restart my game, bruh. It's already 8:28. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe.